everyone. Good evening to all. Now today our session exercise 2.5 in page number 56 we have to dealing the fourth problem, that is expand each of the following using suitable identities. In the previous class already I said to you how many number of algebraic identities are there and we have to solve the problems also. But here also we can using some algebraic identities to get the answer for this 6 problems. So I have to select the first problem, x plus 2y plus 4z all square. Observe here total in the bracket how many terms are given? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 terms are there. 3 terms are there means first one is x, second one is y, third one is z. Comparing like that, x plus y plus z whole square. So this question it is in the form of the algebraic expression. The suitable is x plus y plus z whole square. The formula is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Through this formula we have to get the answer. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. X square in the place of the first term is always x, second term is y, third term is this is x. This is x, this is y, this is z. Like that we have to take it and complete this, fill up this total. Now x square means x square plus y square. In the place of y we have 2y. Also in the place of z we have 4z. 4z all square plus 2 into xy means x into 2y. X into 2y plus 2 into yz. 2y into 4z. Zx. In the place of z we have 4z into x. Now x square plus 2y whole square. 2y whole square means 2y into 2y. 2 2s are 4, y into y square. So we have to get in the place of 2y whole square, that is 4y square, and plus 4z square. 4z square means it multiplied twice. 4z into 4z, 4 4s are 16, z into z square. Plus here the numbers are 2 and 2. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, x into y, xy. Plus here the numbers are 2 into 2 into 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, yz. Plus 2 4s are 8, z x. So this is the final answer of x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Same like that remaining all, it is in the form of x minus y whole cube. Go and check that formula and you have to use that formula. Applying here you will get the answer. This is same like this. It is also, it is a minus a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. Same like here. A p plus 1 whole square. It is in the form of x plus y whole cube form. Here x minus 2 by 3 whole cube. X minus y whole cube formula. So check that formula algebraic identities, you will get the answer. Now sixth problem. This kind of problems are very little bit important for the examination point of view. So listen carefully. Just simple it is. If a plus b plus c is equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 26. They are given some values. Find what is the value of a square plus b square plus c square. So observe here there is no square in the given terms, right? But in the problem they mention ask to find a square plus b square plus c square. Means we have to squaring either first term or second term. So given that a plus b plus c is equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 26. Now I am taking the first one, a plus b plus c is equals to 9 and squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides of a plus b plus c is equals to 9. That implies squaring a plus b plus c is equals to 9. Both sides we have to squaring. Now, so observe here a plus b plus c whole square. In the place of a, b, c, just imagine x, y, z. Means x plus y plus z whole square. We know the formula, that is x plus y plus z. Three terms are there in this formula only, and it has square also. So by using of this algebraic identity, we have to express this total LHS value. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2y square 2yz plus 2zx. So according to this algebraic identity, we have to elaborate the a plus b plus c whole square. This is x, y, z. X square and means a square plus y square b square plus z square c square plus 2 into xy means a b plus 2yz b c plus 2zx ZCA is equals to 9 square. 9 can be multiplied twice. 9 9s are 81. And a square plus b square plus c square plus, observe these three terms, we have the common element here. 2, 2, 2. So take down outside and write the remaining in the bracket. In the first one, AB plus BC plus CA is equals to 81. Once observe the second means in the bracket value we know very well, right? In the question they mentioned AB plus BC plus CA value, right? In the given AB plus BC plus CA is equals to 26. Just we have to substitute the value here. Is equals to 81. How we can get this value? By problem. By the problem, we have to get the value of AB plus BC plus CA. Now, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into 26 means we can do multiplication of these two. Multiplying these two, we will get the product. 26 2s are how much? 52 is equals to 81. That implies plus B square plus C square is equals to 81. Transpose this shift 52 from shift this is from LHS to RHS. Why? Because here in the question they want to ask you only a square, b square, c square, a plus square plus b square plus c square. No need to take 552 here. So that's why we have to shift it from other side. So it is plus 52. Other side it becomes minus 52. That implies a square plus b square plus c square is equals to, what is the value of 81 minus 52? How much? We are getting 20. When do subtraction, you will get the value of 29. So this is the important in this exercise. Ninth question. Verify x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. And the second one is x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Using some non-zero positive integers and check by actual multiplication. Okay. In the question, once again, before going to explain this ninth one, I will omit 7th and 8th bit. Why? Because the two bits are same like as previous bits, mean second bit and third bit. Okay children, by using of that method, how we can do that concept here also we can do same. This 7th bit and 7th bit 4 problems are given. In 8th bit also they have to mention 4 problems. Same here, the total problems are cubic formulas, but in the second bit and third bit we have to use the quadratic one, squaring. By using squaring identity, here we have to using cubing identity, x plus y whole cube, x minus y whole cube. Like that formula you will get this answer. Okay. Now 9th one. So here in the question they are asking substitute any two positive in non-zero positive integers. Non-zero positive integer means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Any two values are substitute in the place of x and y. You will get the same answer for LHS and RHS. Both are equal. Okay. And you have to go through the actual multiplication method also. Actual multiplication means here it is okay. But in the right side we have two terms. You will do multiply these two terms and we are getting the same value of LHS. Okay. So by go to the multiplication method and substitute any two positive integers, we will get the same answer. Then we can call these our identities or not. So for that I am taking the first one, x cube plus y cube is equals to this one. So here LHS. LHS means left hand side of the is equals to left hand side is x cube plus y cube. Okay, here there is not possible to multiply anything, there is no chance. And go to the RHS. The RHS is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now we should multiply x with the second term. X into second term is x square minus xy plus y square plus y with the second term x square minus xy plus y square, and do multiply this total x into x square. Here 2x, here 1x, total x cube minus x into x 1 2x x square y as it is plus x into y square, both are the different, so write as it is xy square. Now coming to here plus y into x square, different term, so write as it is, plus into minus opposite, so write a negative value, y into xy, so x different, y same, 1 2y, so y square plus into plus y into y square, 1 2y, total y cube. Now observe here, any same terms are there here, x cube, there is no x, another x cube in this. Next x square y, here x square y, both are the same, right? This is plus x square y, it is minus x square y, so cancel these two. And here xy square, these are also opposite, so do cancel, and the remaining is plus y cube. Observe the LHS also same, x cube plus y cube, so LHS and RHS both are equal. Therefore x plus y whole cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. By the multiplication method we have to get the same answer. Now substitute the any positive integers for x and y. For that I am taking, for x is equals to 3 and for y is equals to 2. Take down LHS. The LHS is x cube plus y cube. So in the place of x is 3 whole cube plus in the place of y I am taking 2 whole cube. 3 cube means 3 multiply 3 times. 3 3 is a 9. 9 3 is a 27 plus 2 cube means 2 2 is a 4. 4 2 is a 8. 27 plus 8 is equals to how much? 35. So x cube plus y cube value is 35. Now going to the RHS. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Substitute the values. In the place of x 3 plus 2, x square 3 square minus xy 3 into 2 plus y square 2 square. 3 plus 2 5 into 3 square means 9 minus 3 2 is 6 plus 2 square means 4. 5 into 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 plus 4 7. 5 into 7 is 35. Again we are getting the RHS value x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 35. So LHS is equals to RHS. Now conclusion. Can you call these an identities? Yes, obviously these expressions are called it as identities. So S, it is identities. So same like you have to deal the second problem. Okay. Now 11th bit. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz using identities. So here given that, write the given expression, and so once observe here we have 3 variables are given, x cube plus y cube plus z cube, means x, y, z 3 variables are given. So it we have to compare this with the algebraic identities. We have one formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is only same like of the given question, right? But here x cube, y, z all are the singletons, but here we have x have 27. So express this, make this is only single term. 27, which number we should multiply thrice to get the 27? 3. If 3 we can multiply thrice, we will get 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3x whole cube plus y, it is single only, right as it is, z cube minus, so here in the algebraic expression it is starting with 3. So here also we can mention 3 into x. In the place of x we have 3x. 3x, 3x, y. In the place of y only, in the place of z we have z only. Now observe children, so it is same like this algebraic identity, just we can expand this is into like this, x plus y plus z. X, in the place of x we have 3x plus y, y plus z, z, x plus y plus z into x square. In the place of x we have 3x whole square plus y square plus z square minus x. X means 3x into y minus y into z minus z into x is equals to 3x plus y plus z into 3x whole square, 3 square, 3 3s are 9, x square plus y square plus z square minus 3x into y minus yz minus the constant number right in the starting and remaining is zx. So this is also major important in this chapter.